Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Roomba S9 Plus and Neato D10 high-end robot vacuum. The Roomba S9 Plus and Neato D10 are both high-end robot vacuum, offering premium cleaning performance with distinct features. The Roomba S9 Plus stands out with its power suction and advanced mapping system. It uses in-print smart mapping to create detailed floor plans and smart cleaning schedules. It also features automatic dirt disposal, allowing the vacuum to empty itself into a base station. The S9 Plus excels at deep cleaning, particularly in the corners and edges, thanks to its T-shaped design. Additionally, it integrates well with smart home devices like Alexa and Google Assistants. On the other hand, the Neato D10 is known for its unique D-shaped design, which helps it clean corners effectively. It boasts a larger dustbin compared to other models, meaning fewer tips to empty it. The D10 also has a laser navigation system for precise mapping and can be controlled via the Neato app. Its suction power is impressive, but it's not quite as strong as the Roomba S9 Plus. In my opinion, if you're looking for a vacuum with superior suction power and automatic dirt disposal, the Roomba S9 Plus is the better choice. However, if you prefer a larger dustbin and a more budget-friendly option without compromising on cleaning quality, the Neato D10 offers great value. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys have value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.